everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I recently was hosted by Disney for their Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, which is being celebrated throughout Walt Disney World. So the executive chef at the Grand Floridian Resort in Disney, Chef Kevin Chong, he made this amazing recipe for us, and they shared the recipe so that we can create it with our audience. So here I'm seasoning the chicken pieces. He suggested using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm seasoning it with all of the ingredients that you saw listed on the screen, and I'll also list it in the description box for you all. You want to go ahead and season the chicken and allow it to marinate minimum 1 hour, or you can do it overnight. Now we're going to create the cucumber namasu. So we're making Korean fried chicken bowl with cucumber namasu, and we're making that pickling liquid. So you're going to add all of the ingredients to your bowl and give that a mix to dissolve, and then add in your cucumbers. Now this is a really nice pickle, and it can go great with anything. You can even put this on a fried chicken sandwich. So you could turn this recipe, instead of using rice, you can even make it as a sandwich and then assemble all of your ingredients on a bun. So allow that to set aside, allow it to marinate for a little bit. Let's prepare the gochujang sauce. You want to use gochujang paste for this, and you can get it at any Asian supermarket. All of the ingredients listed on your screen, you're going to add it to this pot, and once we add everything in, we'll bring it up to a slow simmer just until everything combines and the sugar melts, and then you'll have your gochujang sauce. This recipe is so delicious, and I can't wait for you all to try it. Now you'll see I have soy sauce. I did not get to record the soy sauce going in, but please remember to put the soy sauce when making this recipe. So everything goes into the pot, and this sauce is so versatile. You can use this with fried fish also. You can even make it as a sauce to drizzle over fries. It's a really amazing sauce, and you will have to try it. So once everything has been melted, that sugar dissolves. You see it's nice and warm, that steam is coming off. Set it aside. We're going to prepare the dredge. So potato starch, all-purpose flour, salt, and black pepper goes into a dish. Give that a mix, and then we'll dredge our chicken. And you can go ahead and dredge all of the chicken pieces and just set it aside. In the meantime, you'd want to place your oil to heat up. And we're going to fry it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 4 minutes. That'll be the first fry. Then you'll take them out, place them on a wire rack, and we're double frying these because we're following his recipe. And the second fry is going to be at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 minutes until it's golden brown and crispy. So now it goes back in for that double fry. And you guys can use wings also for this recipe if you love wings, or chicken legs. Once it's nice and crispy, you're going to remove it from the oil and set it aside. And you're going to continue frying all of the chicken until it's done. And then once the chicken is done, we'll place it into a bowl and drizzle with the sauce. Feel free to put as much or as little sauce as you like. And this is the way that he served it, smothered. So you want to give this a good toss. If you wanted to leave the sauce on the side to dip, of course you can. And once it's tossed in really well, we're going to finish with some black or white sesame seeds and some chopped scallions, or as we say in Trinidad, saif. You want to use both the white and the green part. And then it's just ready to serve. So on a bowl of jasmine rice, we're going to add the cucumber and the chicken pieces and garnish with some chopped cilantro. And that's it. A really delicious recipe, and if you guys wanted to make a sandwich with this, feel free to. So thank you all to Disney and Chef Chong for sharing this amazing recipe. Try it and let me know what you think. Bye everyone!